Jean-François de Meglio, president of Paris-based think tank Asia Center, has delivered a lecture on the economic, strategic, environmental consequences of the new Silk Roads here at French Cultural Center Alliance Francaise. A member of the audience asked him about the impact of China-Pakistan economic corridor on local businesses. Jean-François de Meglio maintained that superficially it looked self-interested, but there would be side benefits for Pakistan as the project could not be executed in a hermetically sealed environment. Answering to another query, a proper impact of China's obsession with energy security and its signing contracts with Russia on CPEC, he pointed out that a decade ago China was an energy freak. Its security was excessively on the leaders' minds. But when the oil lobbyists were set aside, China realized the importance of diversification. Jean-François de Meglio pointed out that CPEC was a small continent of the Chinese mega Silk Roads project involving many roads through Central and Southeast Asia. He maintained that it would redefine the global geopolitics. Speaking exclusively to News Pakistan TV, Jean-François de Meglio said,
"Coming here is also an eye-opener about the very important role that CPEC is playing in the whole project of the new Silk Roads. Though they are the Silk Roads, but CPEC probably has a very specific role to play within the Silk Roads."